Enjoy this beautiful process on how we got the latest bride in town, Lawyer Juliana, ready for her wedding.
Ebusia yenim say weekends are for wedding. Now over the weekend wedding be a course so a trend o social media nyasem keto amount for status chese baby abeko bia wedding ne trend yankasa na wedding yi eye abaye bia ono yeso ye lawyer e wo UK ni din edi Juliana ono ene ware wo danso man enyasem keto wedding ne de chese e better formal and started say trendy na me say aha let's talk GH rumors so and then the first time I over subscribe ya mame wa dance wo hwe no na wa like na wa share e de amame nebusia wedding yi ekoso e wo danso man na traditional wedding to musa oba no eni gie wonimu ankasa from deco to everything. The wedding was on point. Now wedding ne ba no nsem nkofo kanya asem keto amom yen hwe traditional marriage ni ma ebia no wa hwe daba wo de yen san kohwe mra ye ba ye beto aso.
When I see it then I die, cause they love me like I love you, touch me like I touch you, and I think about you every night. You over me, girl, I no go lie, cause they kiss me like I kiss you. I say me sabuwa, uni suwa, na mi suai. Ora sewa ma, yeah me go. I said me put more and 10 babies when you focus on friend and a badass yeah. It me cry me candlelight, so straight to action. To a woman my satisfaction, baby. Mama I give you more before your day I was baby. To a woman me, she know what my baby I go.
Now where they never told her no, social media no so I could create a lot of things. Just say and go for cassava wedding you want kasa. Now me kwa na me buza say why is this wedding trending? Because weekend they say him say wedding be brain koso. It's a follow and say your banning tea and a wedding trend this and the white wedding na say the bear money yen and kofoni mu because ade bear me sikenti anana bibi. Nes omuchirema obani body no enkoye Ghana for mo kasa o mumie hwe ne white wedding no so mra the way si koe ye ba ye the full gist ebema mo.
Got a girl she a London thing, she wanna roll one smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say all girls like one thing. She make my heart beat say like a boom boom. Next time you gonna take it to boom boom. Hurry down we go boom boom. Hope on the wago, baby say boom boom. Say cheese. Post me on Insta, post to me. Hey, Nana, Samuel. My body and my frau.
Nebusia wedding ni beto social media say Kim TikTok na say niema ekoso wo pa o wedding ni beto ho ankofo chichigre yi serani abasa ebisi ada ni kunu de esika ana say ye de ntina me na ko ware oba na say body shame no anu aye din ho ana bi mo say ye de ye ntia ase ntia bi mo ko TikTok live ana mo kasa ya Ghana for mo kasa dodo ye nhwe o mo so suggestions o mo de ba e fa wedding ni humra ye ba ye didi aka ebeto amoso
ewiase ho ade a eyese nipa nyina ehu ni sei se ni mpanyifo ka se wonni ma obi a na afre na koa bi da kasa no Ghana ha no mu nipa nkasa de ye ne yepese ye hu obi se oye police ni se oye ohene ba se oye ohene se oye doctor ansa ne ya man respect
no crap
sana we Ghana ha say akola kura be hu ni teacher ni no ni teacher ni onim say ni teacher ni no bebu no but wo hu obi a wonye teacher ni no for obu ma no because of say entity ye we Ghana ha ena ekoso na ebidi so ana ye ni ankasa social media na aba ni ye nyina so ye de ye ho agim me hu sister ni video di obi kafa ho hwe ne tinam e na die ni we funa da kana
That's stupid.
mi sa won say ewiase eye nyame abode eye nyame abode uchu mu ta he se wo oye art ono kwa draw ye mistake what I say the ono so oye art o ti me draw book mu nipa ne obo drawing oye mistake na de nyankopon ye wonim na kasa tia eye no me ma wo
ye bia e betwa
de ye da sorry na se ehom ye home ye kase ye ton wa bisa se woda na do de suo mu no se home ne te ya wan nka ekoto bi abrewa mo asole baby obi abrabo abo eduru no obi abo na brabo eduru se blan won pena enyam na mbejeje ama no se ye mu bi mu se ewiase mu aye wo pa no se me sister wo kunu a wote no ho wan kasa wonim se ye dia ho fe ne wale enka wo kra won kan won ka bla na nya wo no be ware o enso eye obi matured where into the make say when nya obi na adwuma bia wo kwa ware kra be bre se guy wanye adwumbiefo na adwuma andwa nkwatile na nsema mo keka wo social media nya be bubo ya bremu wo sister yo but you matured person no who say I choose this lady for myself do be able comfort sister you be am me ho me tie ni nyansa me tie ni kasa wo kan me tie abraba wo bo a eni efutu obi a wo de mame a me ne sister be du atire enfa ho ne kase a waye mame ene mo amaya mo ne nam social media no mo kasa no edo na do mo na mkwa ko pagya sister ne sra na enyam na go be pagya ne sre enyam na go be kacha so won ko to won fa ni tiri form
she's not that big, she's not that fat.
Debut mama yesama yenya akasefo yenti omuntimi mpie sister me kwa me nso bia o se ni pa hia me a wo me nso bia nya obi a me so wo se ni obi hia wo a Suzy wa ye kasi o me shed them ebi me nipa wo bi ntimi ndidi yie nipa bi wo ntimi hia de papa bi mfa mpie because the mission ya me so se me pia bonte ade ne nipa beka me ye me hu se ye kaya se nipa bi kan nipa bi ase abranya wona wo bo nipa no nipa ni ti nyame abode what you say nipa ni ti nyame abode ye wo what you say even the secret that account ya ka so wota e wo ni de wo nyina mo benya bi what you say so ka so che adoye kakra boy ne ka se e bi sister ne ka se wo ya e bi wo ni wo busuafo mo betime di 100 years after na mo
na any amount to I was so kasa we are na my when me pa cho kasa ma me hu de ne bo because first watch na rabbit
Fauzia the very Fauzia
you know did me say love ba ko ring ba ko
love ba ko ring ba ko no wa boy fitenra na me hu like me hu video or TikTok and I'm so wow. Yo, when we so like me who mean say crowd or like Ghana not Abuja crowd no fee or ba. See upon me who said in the picture we post last she's a lawyer or something. And I saw so she's from outside. Oh, that's nice. Me who fought be I want who Unko focus yeah brothers from Abuja Hanomo abruwa wa onyin se wo mami because of paper po. Who didn't that? Who didn't pay? Who finance ye? Abrewa because who need your opinion? Who can't trust? Who don't know? No, so done because of papers. So what is wrong with this lady? Yeah, young black lady. What is wrong with her? Who was so fair? Who a nice shape? Who was say? But the education that she have, you don't have it.
Now after saying nkofo share mo suggestions efa wedding hu ebi mu chemu say Ghana for body shaming ne door so enam so amankofo bebre entimi nya confident kra ewo mumu ene ade no ne nkofo bi share o madwen ewo comment na me read comment ni bi Sisi Ologi Ibadan no say You are body shaming, but forgetting that she's married and you still can't land a BF even with your perfect shape. And that's all chema. Mamu body shaming gay and an efuso na gay na you say Munina mo body papa krano. Mema biampo and wariomo. Obi so say this woman is very, very beautiful. I don't know why people are body shaming her as if she created herself. Just look at how beautiful she is without the makeup. Thumbs up, girl. And then say, Obi, dear, na some more can say, gay, dear, no, who, fe pa, even any makeup crown or shiny ankasa. Another user also say, the guy saw a business opportunity and took it. Ness or no, the chilema, juma, nes a bear man, and your dobi, Anna, or the dog girl, no, Anna. Last user, me fan on also say, Killer B, ness, or who girl, no, a body stature or body shaming. Ankasa na ebusia ye kan o ase kame akoyese nanse ankasa social media no cyberbullying ne dosu ye didi nkofo atem ka bofo na otia wanya asem obi ware ana wo fonta anyefe ana gewe wusisi achia ana we ni body ayese ase e dosu too much enye nipa bia na ball no enye obi apene se mebo me ho na me sora ye kese ase ne me fom se me ana me nya chance ball me ho anke bia mebo me ho to my own satisfaction by nyame body and then nipa no any control over the way nyame e wo se nyame bonu nti be ye best say dani den nyina wo ka asem bia kire obi wo ho na wo type bibi e de ma obi wo social media no so na wato wo bo because eye wo a anka enye wo de na me stress say aha let's talk GH rumors. So and then the first time I wa pop into this video obe like na wa subscribe na wa share e de ama me say de be ya da me uploading new video bia unsa ebetimi aka e de ama me dani den nyina ma mo like na mo follow because nyame onhia mo midin e de nana epia santo a makram.